Making a s'more. Look at it. Some more.
Okay. What you gonna do now?
I'm gonna microwave that, and with my mommy, and she's gonna help me.
Okay.
Let's go. Close it.
Yes.
Uh-oh. It's gonna blast.
If you watch it, don't forget you're on video. Shake.
Do we press that?
No, you're good. It's clear. So now you're gonna press quick. Yes. Okay, now hit start.
Here's start.
Nope. On the right there. The other S.
Oh, it's good. It's gonna be good. S'more.
Here, hold this.
No, you hold it. Uh-oh.
What's
The
happening?
marshmallow. Oh.
You better stop it.
I spell start.
There. No. Stop. Let's check it out. Here. Hold this. Go. Show everybody what happens.
It did not work.
What happened to it? Put it on the video. Put it on the camera.
It did not work.
Well, it did a bit. You just gotta put it together again.
Where's the other cracker?
It's underneath. Okay.
I think that's enough.
Okay.
We should cut the
You're gonna need like a spoon.
I think we have to cut the parts of the marshmallows to make it like a s'more again. It's going.
There you go.
It's pretty good. Let's go.
Okay. Can you see yourself?
Yeah. Okay.
Test it out. Oops.
I'm trying to cut the other thing. I can't get the white part. Oh, there it is.
Okay, then. Now you just lift it up with your fingers.
Can you get the white part out? I'll film it.
Okay.
The chocolate is the best part. What is that?
Yeah.
That came from yesterday. Oh, there.
Okay.
It hasn't been a marshmallow since a
Okay,
while.
grab it.
Okay, you film it.
Okay.
What is film it?
Okay, ready? Here you go.
I'm gonna try it. Uh-oh. It's so hot. I think I'm gonna need a spoon again.
Oh, there's a spoon right there.
I don't know.
Is it too hot?
Let's let it cool down. Huh. Can't even bite it.
Just use your hands. There, use your hands. Use your hands. Yeah. Go ahead. It's fine now. Grab it like that. It's a thumbs down. Thumbs up. Here.
Marshmallow. It's crunchy.
It's not the same as when you roast them for real, huh?
No.
Okay, you just eat it like a...
I think I need a fork to pick it in the middle.
No, just use your hands.
No, I need a fork.
It's a cracker. It's not gonna really, it's gonna just break it apart. Just hold it. Pick it up with your hand now. And eat it like a sandwich. Yeah. Yeah.
And just squish it.
Okay. Okay, take a real bite now. Take a real bite so you can get the chocolate. There you go.
Uh-oh, it's too hot.
It's too hot?
Uh-huh.
Really? Blow it.
That's the side.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Check it out now. It's good? Where...
It's better than the one that you roast the marshmallow.
It's better? What?
Yeah.
Tell everybody where you got the chocolate from. We didn't start from you putting it together.
The calendar.
Your advent calendar? The little chocolate that you got from your advent calendar?
A little bit worked.
Okay. So
But, yum.
your final review is a thumbs up on microwave s'mores.
Yeah. I get some water.
Okay.
Where's
Sign
my
off
cup?
now. Sign off.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.